Oh, hey everybody, we're doing it a little different this time. She's filming me, I'm drinking a strawberry lemonade, but we're gonna do a room tour. So, this is the room. This is room 7608 on the Star of the Seas. It is a balcony cabin, it's unobstructed. I don't even know if there's obstructed cabins on this cruise, doesn't matter. But here we go, brand new ship. I think 3 people have been in this room. It feels very nice. Your safety at sea, it has your how to put on a life vest. Muster station should be here. Ship map, I doohickey. When you're sleeping off the Adventure, this is very important. If you don't have one of these, ask your ship steward. Damn it. There it is. Make sure this door is closed when you open that balcony. We'll deal with that when we get there. Over here, you have your thermostat. It's digital, that's beautiful. We also have your lighting. There's a movie lighting, which cools everything down. Oh, it's so dark, it's so, yeah, you can watch Twilight in here. You have your sleep, which, what does it, I think it just turns the lights off, I guess. Evening, lights are on a little bit more. And then morning. It's super bright. We have it set to, I keep moving it to 66. It keeps going, it keeps going up to 60. It keeps going up, whatever. What do these do? If I turn this off, oh, it turns all the lights off. Half lights on, and then all the lights are on. We're gonna keep all the lights on for the sake of this video. Now, bathroom. The bathroom light. So this one is a bathroom light. We're 50-50 right now. So that's the room. This is the bathroom. Let's look at the bathroom. In this bathroom, don't rush your flush. This actually, they've utilized the space in this bathroom so well. You have storage spaces near the toilet that you didn't have before. Towels, your toilet, nice mirror, cups. You have 2 US ports up here, which I've never seen before in the bathroom. Normally, like I said the last time, there was like a European port or some kind of port. It's strange. But you have 2 regular ports up here. Towel rack, sink, sturdy, sink pressure, nice. I do like these lights that are around the mirror. Under here, we have storage, more towels, trash can there. Here is something that I actually really respect is the shower, because the showers on all cruise ships are usually that dome. Whether you have the curtain or the glass, it's still like a dome. Now they've extended it. They got rid of some of this counter space that you don't necessarily need and gave you more shower space. So now, look at this. And this is dorky engineering stuff, but I like it. They save space. Look at this hinge. Look at that. Instead of it hinging here, it hinges there. That's dorky engineering stuff that makes a difference. You have a seat in your shower. You can sit here, put your leg up, let the shower water just rain upon you. I'm lounging. There is Salt Breeze hair, body, and washes is like a 12-in-1. If you didn't bring anything, you have your shower head. It's removable. This is actually, honestly, a lot of space. Just because I saw on Facebook, because we follow a lot of cruise Facebook pages, if you don't know how to work this system, this turns it on. This one, hot or cold. Because I saw somebody that was like, we've only had cold showers because we don't know how it works. One turns it on, one handles your temperature, just to clear that up. Apparently, some people don't know. So now you know. There's towels up there. Let's get out of here. Okay, so out of the bathroom, what I like is these weird lights here are cool. They're just cool. I don't know why it makes it cool. I like it. It's fun. There is a full-length mirror right here. Come take a look at this full-length mirror. Hello. The full-length mirror. This is fantastic.
Hold on.
Don't show. Do it.
To show you. Oh my God.
It's more storage. They thought about everything basically. There's a safe here. The safe, you're like, oh, this might be a small space. It's not. It's a normal size safe. It's just within the door. Oh my gosh, more hooks. Over here, we have our wardrobes. We have this one. It's pretty good. Plenty of space. I'm sure there's hangers in the next spot. We go over here, hangers. Plenty of space. There's actually arguably too much space.
Right. Yep.
Close me in.
Yep.
Basically, there's plenty of room in here. All right, we're out. This is what I know that's gonna suck. Ready?
Close your ears. All right, dude.
It's absurd. I don't know why, but I'm gonna put like shorts in here or something. I don't know.
Okay, all right.
Now a movable table. So they give you a little table that's actually a downside, if I say, because normally there was like a table like this, and you can have breakfast on it. This is like a little tiny nothing table. It's not that big of a deal. It doesn't make or break anything. It is what it is. Very neat chair. I like this.
That's gonna be my chair.
This is a comfortable chair, actually, if I'm being honest. Oh, it's dampening. You see that? Watch this. That's pretty good. We have a blow dryer, tissues, safe disposal of medicine, needles. Wow. Wow! Breakfast menu, just in case you need room service. In here you have a cooler, which they say it's a cooler, it's not a fridge. Don't put anything in here. It's fine. It'll work. It's cold. Oh, it's very cold, actually. We have a European port, which means nothing to me. A regular port that can probably be a European. I don't know. It looks weird, but it'll work. Then you have a USB-C. You have a USB-A. Your lights. Oh my gosh. This one actually controls the room, and this one controls this oval. It used to be a circle. Now it's an oval. And since we are Emerald, they gave us 4 bottles of water. Even though we have the drink package and bottles of water are free, they gave us 4. Wow, we're happy to see you. Wow, that's very nice. This is arguably a big couch. This is bigger than the normal couches on like Anthem or Symphony or whichever ones we've been on. This is a big couch.
How tall are you?
I am 5'11" and 3/4 inches. I'm almost 6 feet, but God doesn't love me. So I'm 5'11". I'm almost 6 feet tall, guys. I'm still gonna grow. Does it turn into anything? No, I think it's just a couch. Over here, right over here, we have USB-A, phone, cranberry vodka, storage. And over here, king size bed. Bed test, here we go. I'm not gonna spill any of this. I'm just kidding, I'm not a psycho. It's actually very nice. Next, we have more storage over here, and I like this backlighting. This is actually very nice, it's cool.
Like, no one talks about this design.
Isn't it cool? It's like a bamboo whatever. It's a tropical design. You can put things. I'm gonna put a truly here, a truly here, a truly here, and a truly here. There's a USB-C port and a USB port right here. You can plug in your stuff. Over here, we have a probably 55. I'm gonna say a 55. This feels 55. No, it does not move. Over here, we have your curtain with a leather strap, by the way. Wow, that's fancy. Blackout curtains, so you're not worried about anything. So you can have a nice, good sleep in. You're on vacation. We have a regular USB, and you have a regular port on this side too. That's great. And I bet you this turns off everything in the room. Let's see. It turns off every light in the room. So the person closest to this door, which is her, this turns on and off all the lights, so you don't have to get up and do all that. This one right here, this is this light outside on the balcony. I say this every single time just so people know. If this thing is open, like this, your AC turns off. If it's open, your AC turns off. If it's closed, your AC turns back on. That's what that means. So, oh my God, you see how nice that is? Hold on, let me do it again. It's a brand new ship. This thing is so slick. Now I know it's not much to look at right now because we're still in port, and that's fine. But here's the balcony. This is balcony 7608. Look at this. We got our chairs. We've got our feet rests. Let's do this. We got a beautiful table. It's yellow. That's nice. The glass isn't stained in salt yet because it's brand new. And then this clearly is the street, but once we're out to sea, it's not obstructed, okay? What I was gonna say earlier is we went and got you pick our room. So we let Royal Caribbean pick our ocean view balcony, which is like a gamble because you might have to deal with a obstructed view balcony. Obstructed being like one of the safety lifeboats will be in the way, or it'd be weird, and it's not. I think they thought about this. There's a couple ships where you'll be looking out here and the boat will be here, like the safety boat. And now they figured out how to do it, and it's tucked away. All of the safety boats are tucked away. So it's almost like there's no obstructed view cabin. I don't know what the obstruction would be because they got rid of the obstruction. So that's something on Royal Caribbean that I think is, they thought about it. That's pretty smart. It's pretty smart for them to do that. And I respect them for that. But yeah, that's the ocean view balcony. Look at this. Look at this.